let's start with our first segment, Keeping Up with Chanyor!
Yeah.
Bago ang lahat, Chanyor. Kamusta?
우선 이제 최근에는 여기저기 돌면서 그 뺑콘 더 이터니티라는 뺑콘을 진행을 했었고요.
So first of all, I've been, around different cities to actually perform the Eternity fan concert.
그리고 이제 작업도 많이 하고 운동도 하면서 열심히 지내고 있었습니다.
I was working on new recordings and also I also exercised.
Recording and exercising. Now, in Korea, currently it's winter.
Yeah.
It's very cold, right?
Yes.
How does it feel to come to Manila kung saan medyo mainit-init?
우선 마음이 굉장히 따뜻하고요 지금.
My heart is really warm right now.
또 이제 출발할 때 비가 와가지고 좀 더 춥고 그랬는데.
When I was actually coming here from Korea, it was rainy and very cold.
네, 지금 이 공연장에 열기는 진짜 대단하네요. 너무 뜨겁습니다.
I think the heat here in the arena is really off the roof.
So, alam mo, nag-iinit din kayo. Of course, our Manila Philippine fans wanted to see you at talaga namang na-miss ka namin lahat. At marami kaming gustong ipaalam at ibigay ng mga mensahe sa'yo. Kaya simulan na natin ang ating unang segment.
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go. So, in our first segment, Chan, we gathered our thoughts. Talagang nakikita ko sa TV. We gathered our thoughts and wrote questions for you to answer.
Wow.
And then, ayan nga, nasa mga envelopes beside you. And you'll find them inside
Yes.
those envelopes. So, let's pick our first one and answer the questions that the fans have been wanting to ask.
이거 숫자는 아무거나 선택하면 되는 건가요?
So I can pick any number, right?
Yes! What number do you want to pick first?
오케이. 5.
Five. Okay. Alright, let's open the envelope and see what's inside.
Oh.
Ah!
What's your favorite piece of
Clothing.
clothing? 우선 물론 제가 이제 팬샵 이번에 옷을 당연히 저한테 첫 번째 팬샵이죠.
Of course, the number one for me is Pan Shop.
이거는 부정할 수가 없습니다.
You cannot deny that.
근데 그 중에서 그 티셔츠 있어요. 반팔 티셔츠.
And there's actually a short sleeve T-shirt.
근데 그 반팔 티셔츠 제가 좋아하는 이유가 있는데
And there's a reason why I like this short sleeve T-shirt.
그 티셔츠가 여기 이 팔 부분 있잖아요. 거기가 저의 이거 팔을 딱 잡아줘요.
It actually catches the biceps of mine very well.
물론 제 팔이 커서 그런 걸 수도 있는데
It's possible because my arm is quite big, but
근데 그 옷이 진짜 핏이 정말 좋고 또 이제 기본 티셔츠다 보니까 색깔별로 하나씩 가지고 있으면 정말 좋은 아이템이라고 생각이 들어서 가장 좋아합니다.
so whenever I wear the T-shirt, it actually fits me perfectly, and I actually have collections of different colors, and I really recommend for this daily T-shirt.
네, 얼마나 제가 좋아하면은 그 티셔츠를 제 처음 팬샵에 받고 입어보고 진짜 너무 이뻐서 최근에 좀 보내달라고 필리핀에다가 얘기를 했습니다.
To actually say how much I love this T-shirt is that after I've received some products from Pan Shop, I have actually asked from the Pan Shop team Philippines to actually give me some, and deliver it to Korea.
진짜 좋죠. 그리고 또 하나는 물론 오늘 입고 온 옷도 너무 이쁘잖아요.
And so one more thing is that the clothes I'm wearing is really pretty, right?
그리고 제가 생각하는 그 팬숍은 데일리한 옷도 정말 캐주얼하고 데일리한 옷도 너무 좋지만
And of course, the for Fan Shop, the casual and daily clothes are really well, but
사실 오늘 같은 의상은 이렇게 부대 의상으로 입어도 손색이 없을 만큼 너무 예쁘다고 생각이 들어요.
But you know, the clothes of Penshop is really pretty to the point that I can even wear them to my showcase.
제가 잘 소화하는 것도 있죠.
Also, there's also a part that I can digest these clothes well too, right?
Just kidding.
Talaga namang, nakita niyo na ba ang pa-biceps nila? Salamat, Pension. Now, next question.
Okay.
What is that about? You know, hindi siya isang tanong, isang sagot.
It's 2.
Number 2. Okay, number 2.
Yeah. Is there any Filipino dish you want to try during your visit?
And what Filipino food or item will you bring back to Korea?
오. 사실 일단 필리핀에서 한국에 꼭 가져가야 되는 음식은 건망고라고 생각합니다.
I think the first thing that I have to bring to Korea from Philippines is the dried mangoes.
일단 바나나.
And also bananas.
바나나 좋아해요.
I actually love bananas.
그리고 한국에 가져가고 싶은 필리핀 아이템 그건 바로 펜션이죠.
And of course, I would like to bring from Philippines to Korea is of course pension.
네, 마음카페에서는 올 가가지고 다 털어서 가고 싶습니다.
You know, if I could, I would actually want to visit the pen shop in SM Mall of Asia.
옷은 많을수록 좋으니까.
Because clothes are better if there are many.
네, 오늘 끝나고 다 같이 쇼핑.
You know, after you go together,
Pero kasama ka kayo sa kanya, kung nag-shopping ka Now, okay, kasi mga sagot ni Chanel. Okay, let's proceed to our last question from the set of envelopes.
This one is 4.
Number 4.
Oh, have you gone shopping here in the Philippines? Yeah. Oh, yeah, I have. 제가 약 20년 전
20 years ago,
제 첫 해외가 필리핀이었습니다.
the first foreign country that I visited was Philippines.
그때 이제 중학교 1학년 때, 중학교 2학년 때였다, 2학년 때.
I think it was like second year middle school.
그때 당시에 이제 어학연수를 필리핀으로 와서 이제 공부도 하고
I actually visited to the Philippines to actually study English.
그때 당시에 기억나는 게 박상한 폭포라는 거 있잖아요. 박상한 폭포.
You know, and when I visited here, I can remember. You know the Paksanhan waterfall?
네, 거기도 갔었고 이제 말도 어떤 산에서 말도 타고 그랬는데
I've been there, and also I ride a horse in a mountain.
근데 그때 이제 마지막 주말에 이제 기억은 잘 안 나는데 어떤 큰 몰에 가가지고 쇼핑을 했었습니다.
And in the last weekend, I went to the mall with the other parties, and we actually had a shopping there.
Yes.
Sana uwi, sabay ng kabayo sa mountain. Alright, are you guys satisfied with his answers? Thank you so much for those answers,
Yeah.
Randall. But we're not yet done getting to know you more. We want to get to know you more, and we are going to do that with our next segment called Bago-bago ko. Fast Talk. So, alam niyo na kung paano gumawa ng fast talk, of course, right? So, we will ask you about two options. You have to answer without thinking so much, okay?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, perfect.
Huh?
Are you guys ready? Alright. Alright, so let's proceed with number one.
Yeah.
So before you answer, I have to count 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Perfect. Alright, number one is hip hop versus pop. 3, 2, 1.
Pop. Yeah.
Headphones versus speakers. 3, 2, 1.
Speaker.
Ah. Classic neutral looks versus baggy party looks. 3, 2, 1.
Classic neutral look. Ooh.
Next. Linen fabric versus denim. 3, 2, 1.
Denim.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, in terms of the Philippines, when you talk about the Philippines, you know, beaches versus cities. 3, 2, 1.
Beaches.
Mahal ko kayo versus miss ko kayo. 3, 2, 1.
Mahal ko kayo.
Alright! Grabe guys! Tato ka rin na makinig doon. Mamaya mas papakiligin pa tayo ng Spanyol. Dahil may papakiligin. Gusto niyo yun? Yeah. So meron pa dito nag-agree sa mga sagot ni Chanyol? Meron pa dito mga nag-disagree? Very good. Now, in a short span of time, we got to get to know Chanyol much better. And of course, thank you once again, Chanyol, for being a good sport. Now, let's get up for our next segment. Ito, sobrang fun and already na kayo.
Yeah.
Mukha naman ako fun. Ang fun naman kasi ito. Nag-enjoy ba kayo, guys? Alright, we'll get our next segment started right away. And this is titled, Don't Mess Up My Tempo! Alright! Are you excited for this?
Yes.
Are you guys excited? You should be. Alright, so di ba very intriguing itong game na to? Ano kaya ibig sabihin ng load na sa mga tempo? Kakanta kaya siya? May lalabas kayo mga members? Hindi natin But, actually, ganito siya. Ito yung mechanic. This is the mechanic. Simple lang pa siya. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin, your task is to observe the dancers on the screen
Yeah.
and guess the title of the song.
Huh?
But the difference is,
Yeah.
the twist, the plot. What is the plot? The twist is that the song and the dance would be very different.
Yeah. Oh.
Get it, man?
Yes. So hard.
Hindi ko, makakalimutan mo.
Oh. Yeah, I think so.
Iba siya. Okay. Are you ready for our first dance?
Yeah.
Alright, let's watch our first dance.
Yes. Oh, peaceful dancer.
Alright.
Yeah.
Makita ko, hindi ko alam yung sagot guys. Hindi nakalagay dito yung sagot, hindi ka talaga alam. Wala sa script ko. So, let us find out your answer.
Oh, so hard. Confusing. Go.
Bibigyan ko sa uncle ko. Alright. Are you ready for the next one?
Yeah. I'm ready.
Let's have our next dance.
Oh. No. I don't know. I don't know this dance.
Ano kayo?
Oh, I don't know.
You're not sure? answer? No, you're not supposed to answer it.
It's love shot.
It's not a blush.
Easy.
Nahihirapan kaya natin. How about that?
Okay.
Let's check our next dance.
Okay, come on. Is this all mama?
Oh my God! Napakabay na mga fans mula Mama Ira! Very good! Very good, guys. Hanggang nandito pa rin kayo. I love that.
근데 여기
For like na po kami.
팬분들이신 거죠?
So these videos or the dancers are the fans, right?
와, 춤이 진짜 너무 잘 추시는데.
Amazing.
역시 엑소의.
Yeah, it is of course the XMLs.
Yes. Now, guys, nakadalawang segment na tayo. Actually, tatlo na siya if you think about it. Kamusta naman so far? Happy naman kayo? Nakakapagasto na ba ito ng pension para sa inyo? Yes. And how about you? Did you enjoy our segment?
Yeah. 너무 재밌었어요.
Yes, it was so fun.
Yes, I like this corner.
Yes. Why don't you just I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
좋아, 좋아. 야, 이렇게. 근데
Remember that's like it, but I'm sure our fans will. Pero guys, meron akong surprise sa inyo. I heard that you prepared for your
네,
What were those performances?
이번 또 이제 재밌는 게임도 했으니까 이번에는 무대를 좀 보여드리려고 하는데 여러분들이 굉장히 좋아하시는 노래입니다.
So since we actually enjoyed the game, I would like to do some performance for you guys. And you guys love it.
네, SSFW